We finally did it, the YouTube Silver Creator Award for passing 100,000 subscribers. And this really is not about me, it's about you. It's your engagement, your comments, and your encouragement that has driven me to continue to put these videos up, to try to communicate ideas, to try to encourage, and hopefully do a little bit of entertainment. It's interesting that I got this award in 2020. This has been a challenging year for everybody. And it's definitely been harder on some than on others. When the 2020 pandemic became a reality that none of us could deny anymore, at that time, I realized that a lot of my plans would go by the wayside for a while, and I'd have a little more time, some slack time. I decided to take advantage of that and set my mission here at the Smart Woodshop to create, produce, and post 2 videos a week. And my mission for those videos would be to uplift, to encourage, and to enlighten. And I know from the comments and the emails that I get from you that that mission was successful. We did it together. It feels really good to have you all as friends. I hope that you will be encouraged to take some of the things you've learned here at the Smart Woodshop this year into next year and to reach new heights and to achieve things that you've not previously imagined possible. But mostly, I encourage you to hang on to some of this newfound slack time and to use that slack time to be with your family, your friends, and to be a part of your community. But most of all, to continue to invest it in yourself, to learn new things and to grow and to try new things. Thank you for spending this year with me here at the Smart Woodshop, and I look forward to our time together in 2021. I wish you all a prosperous and happy new year. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.